Alright, I paused my house to be here, so let's do this. We got 5 categories, which means this video is going to be in 5 parts. Don't know when I'll post it. I will try my best, and I have to charge my Apple Pencil, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, we'll start with rates, ratios, proportions, and percents. Alright. Why is it... Oh, I was gonna say, I'm like, why is it giving me the answers? Okay. We're just gonna go through. I'm gonna explain the answer for each. Let me get my Procreate ready. Oh my god. My cat's getting in the way of, like, everything. Move! Okay. And my Wi-Fi on my phone's not working, so, like... There's gonna be one insufferable video, bro. Alright. The question was that... Let me set this up. Okay. So, this question, drilling, I don't want to read that, really. I just don't. I just really don't. Bye, bro. I'm such a bad teacher. Anyways, do I have a highlighter brush? Sorry, I keep getting distracted, but, like, I need a highlight. What the Okay. I do have a highlighter brush! I'm actually gonna save this because it'll make my life a lot easier. Okay, during a fairly heavy traffic, blah blah blah, all that doesn't matter. What matters is this part. So, if 9 cars can safely pass through a light that lasts 36 seconds, how many cars can pass through 24 seconds? So, Olaf, stop it. Oh my god, I'm gonna lynch him so badly. Oh my god! Where's my Wi-Fi on my phone? My Wi-Fi on my phone is being so stupid. 1 second. Okay, so basically, this one is actually really easy, which is thankful. So, what we want to do, we need to figure out how long one car can get, how long it takes one car to get by, and then put that into 24. So if it takes 36 cars to get into, it takes 36 seconds for 9 cars to pass, that would equal, I need to bust out my calculator for this. That would equal 4, it takes 4 seconds per car to get by. Now we need to see how many cars can go into 24 seconds. So 24 divided by 4, because that's how many seconds one car can get into, is 6. Therefore, it takes 6 cars. It takes 6 cars. 6 cars can safely pass through the lights in 24 seconds. So it'd be 6. Yeah, it also explains it here, but I did not do all that. You know what? My way of explaining it was better. Let's go to the next one. Okay, according to the data the College Board provided, yada yada. According to data provided by the College Board, the cost of tuition and fees for a private, nonprofit four-year college in 1988 is approximately... Oh my god. Sorry, this is really hard. Okay. That's not the right brush. Holy moly. Okay, $5,800 and what? Oh. Okay, so 1988 was approximately 15,800. In 2013, the cost of tuition and fees at the same time was approximately 30,000. So 15 years later. Wait, no, 25 years later. I'm dumb. If the cost of education experienced the same total percent increase over the next 25 years, how much will tuition and fees at a private nonprofit four-year college cost? What? Okay. So we gotta find the percent of, like, how the percent of how much it's going up per year. I'm just wondering if this starts from 2013. Well, was this made in 2013? I'm gonna assume it was, because it doesn't mention anything about the current year, and it wouldn't really make sense if it was the current year. So we're gonna assume it goes up a certain amount of percent in 25 years. So, okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really good with percents, but here's how I'm gonna try it first. So, this is the current fee. This is what it was. So, I want to see how much it went up in that 25-year span. Since I'm not a loser, I'm using a calculator. If I can remember the numbers. 100 minus 15,800. Okay, so when it 300 in 25 years. I know it says percent, but, well, no, this could work. And then if I divide that by 25, it goes up 572 per year. And I'm assuming this is correct because I really suck at percents, I'm not gonna lie. So this might literally be wrong, but we're gonna say it's correct because I'm just cool like that. If I get this wrong, it's okay. I'll explain the right answer when I figure it out, but you know. So I'm just gonna add this together, see what I get, because I don't think it's gonna be right. 33, 2, yeah, that's not even an answer, bro. Oh my god. It's too hard. Math is too challenging. Hold on, let me just pick a random answer so I can see what it is. Divided by 15,800. Why would I do that? %90 is crazy. No! Go back! Okay. So that's how you do that one. I'm really bad with percent changes, because I didn't really learn this that much. They never taught us this. I think they might have actually, with cars. Oh, they did do this with cars, but they made it a lot easier than this. Basically, I was on the right track. I just didn't want to go from here. Yeah, so then you divide this by the original number. That one, I guess. So you get the percent over 25 years. But wait. Why would it add oh my god, I'm so lost. Why would they add the 4-year part if it's not important? I'm genuinely gonna crash out. No wonder I got hung up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I hate math. Okay, so then it's 5,700. But yeah, it's not really helpful if I just say what it says, but like, okay, I guess it's that then. So I guess the lesson is really carefully read the question before you answer it. 'Cause math sucks, I guess. Oh, finally, my Wi-Fi phone is working. My phone's Wi-Fi is working. Oh my god. Sorry if I keep pausing. It's really hard to text while teaching. Okay, ratios I got you though. Cause I bake, so this is easy for me. A chef is preparing ingredients to make a large quiche. The recipe calls for 5 cups of milk and 2 eggs. Hold on. Oh my god, I hate typing. Goodness. Okay. Oh my god. Stop. This Wi-Fi is gonna actually lynch me back. And I keep getting notifications on my ass, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I know I ordered that. Stop it. Oh my god. Legendary crash out. Okay. Sorry, we'll go back to this. Okay, 5 cups of milk for every 2 eggs. Lower fat option that goes 4 cups of water and 3 cups of eggs. Okay. Why not 5 to 4? What the heck? Okay. I think I get what it's asking me. Oh, wait, what? I'm really confused on what it's asking. Genuinely. Like, it's worded really badly. Oh my god. If Urza sends me one more TikTok when I'm trying to make a stupid freaking video. Oh, that's you. Stop. I know you're not gonna see this until, like, I don't know, Sunday or whatever. Bye, bro. Okay, anyways. Okay, 5 to 2 and 4 to 3. So, isn't that, like, 9 to 5? I'm so... Oh my god, No, because what does the eggs mean then? Oh my god. Okay, so 5 to 2. 4 to 3. Right. So then are the eggs changing or what? Oh my god, I'm actually so pissed off right now. So it's gonna be more milk to water, I guess. Well, I guess I'm 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 literally gonna guess 15 to 8, and I can tell you why. Okay, so what it wants you to do is, you have the 5, right? It wants you to multiply these two numbers and then multiply them with this for some dumb fucking reason, and then it wants you to do the same with this one. So this would be 15, because 5 times 5 is, wait, no it's not. Ooh, oh, wait. Because 5 times 3 is 15 and 4 times 2 is 8. Even though that makes 0 sense at all. That... okay. I think I understand it. Like, it makes sense, but like... but yeah. Like, you see what I'm saying? It's like it's really worded really badly. Stop! Go back! I'm reading! Okay. Oh, okay. So it wants you to multiply these so that these are the same. And it would be 5 to 6 and 4 to 6, so that you have a common denominator to compare these two numbers to. But whatever you do to these numbers, you also have to do to these numbers. So it's more like... I need a different fucking pen for this. So it's more like these two. Like, you're multiplying 3 into these two, and you're multiplying 2 into these two. Because this is the original ratio, so you wouldn't multiply this into this. So then that would turn into 15, and that would turn into 8. And then it's milk to water, and there's more milk than there is water. So the milk would be the bigger one. Look at me go. I'm so good at my job. Okay, let me, okay, okay. I guess we'll move on to the next one. What the? Okay. I'm scared. I don't like these kind of questions. We're gonna, like, just... I'm hoping this is the same as the other question, so, like, I can compare it to the other question. Okay. Cyber Cafe is a place that provides internet access to the whatever. That doesn't matter. Base rate of 20... oh, I can do this. Base rate of 25 to join for a year. And then 30 cents per visit for the first 50 visits, and then 10 cents for every visit after that. That's a dumbass fucking reason to do... okay. That's dumb as hell. Okay. You know what? We so got this. So, first off, I'm just gonna get this part out of the way. the first 50 visits are 30 cents. And then 72 minus 50 is 22. So that's going to be 10 cents. So just getting this out of the way so I don't have to talk about it after. So we start with $25. So I guess the year wasn't important. We start at 25, and then for the first 50 visits, it's going to be an additional plus 30 cents. So we're doing plus 0.30 times 50. And then after that, it's going to be, bye bro, I'm running out of room. And then after that, it's going to be 10 cents for every visit after that for 22 visits. So it's going to be 0.10 times 22 visits. And if you ever see this in a formula, it's going to be like base equals x. So base plus rate times visits plus rate B times, there is no way that it crashed. Oh my god, rate B times visit B equals x. It's a little complicated because of like how this works. Like there's two rates. So if we plug this into our calculator, we get 25 plus, where's my bracket button? Math. Okay. What the fuck did I do? What did I do? How do I get back to my normal calculator? Oh my god. Get me back. Okay. I need my scientific calculator. Okay, great. Plus 0.30. That's not right. 0.30 times 50. And then we add the second rate, which is 0.10 times 22. That gives us $42.2. So $42.20. Well, it basically said what I said. It basically said what I said. I like mine better. Okay. I would ace the SAT, bruh. I need to move to America. Anyways. Bye, bro. Why did Virgil get... Okay, this is not... I'm like... I would never be a teacher, because I would get distracted and be like, bye, what's this happening? Okay. Engine oil contains additives that are designed to prevent certain common engine problems. One is zinc, which reduces engine wear. Okay, 4% zinc at company A and 9% at company B, and 8 pints at company B. Wait, what are quarts and pints? Oh, I like how it specifies down here for my Canadian ass, bro. We don't have quarts and pints. We have millimeters, and we have we have milliliters, and we have liters. I don't know what's above a liter. I'm not gonna lie. I can't remember. I'm assuming this is like a liter and this is like milliliters, but whatever. We're gonna go with that. Okay, so 4% and 9%. So 4% is in 6 quarts. Six what? Okay, 6. No, I'm dumb, bruh. Okay, you guys get 8 points. You guys get 6 quarts. So, just for my simplification, so I don't fuck this up, I'm just gonna change this into pints so we can compare it way easier. So this would basically be doubled because 1 quart is 2 pints. So it's gonna be 12 pints instead. Okay, so then, oh my god, this stupid hair. Okay, so I assume you multiply these, because every pint has how many times more zinc? Okay. Sorry, my brain is weird. I think you multiply these together to figure out how much is in each. There's more in these. Okay, so where's my calculator? So 9 times 8, so 72%. That's not what I want. Okay, wait. 72%. And then 4 times 12. Oh my god. 4 times 12 is 48. So, oh my god! So now that we got our two numbers, we have to divide 72 by 48 to get a multiple, like, a multiplication number. It's like when you divide 2 by 1. Wait. Yeah, it's like when you divide 2, well, we'll go by, like, 10 by 2, I guess, because that gives you 5, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So it just all balances out. It makes sense, trust me. 72 divided by 48. So that means it is 1.5 times more. Yeah, we got your fucking whatever. Wait, what? Oh. You know what? I got the same kind of thing. I just didn't do 0.09. I just did solid ass numbers. And it did quarts and I did pints. Either way, you could have done it. But yeah, you know, that's the first part, the rates, ratios, proportions, and percents. I hope you understood what the hell I'm talking about. I hope this video is not like 20 minutes long or something. That'd be really embarrassing. Okay, I will post part 1 and I'll work on parts 2 to 5 right now.